How does it work to sew heavy-duty cargo pants on a sewing machine? So using the sewing advisor, we're going to go to heavy woven, and then the technique we're going to select is a seam. And when we close this screen, it tells us to change to the B foot with a size 90 needle, and it shows it's going to stop with the needle in the up position, pressure on 5, shows a tension, a length, and a width. So we're going to come over here to the pressure foot, and we're going to put our B foot on there. Put our threads underneath. So the washing machine has kind of made the hems of those pants rugged looking, and I'm just going to hem them up, fold them over. A pair of favorite old cargo pants. I like to start kind of in the middle there. And as we sew along, I use the edge of the foot as a guide. Now, one of the tools that we're going to use on this is a wedge, sometimes called a hump jumper. I've stopped it with the needle down, and I'm going to put that wedge in there. But you're going to see what happens here if you use the skinny side. It doesn't feed as well. It's too thick on this seam, so it kind of worked. But I'm going to change it around here and put the thick side on there. And you'll see how that raises that heel of that pressure foot up so it feeds better. This keeps us from breaking needles and hating our sewing machine, skipping stitches. So now I sew it until the heel of that foot is off the big heavy flat felled seam there, sometimes called a jean seam. Continue sewing this all the way around. Stop with the needle down again. I raise my pressure foot, and this time we're going to make sure we use the big seam wedge. Climbs right over it. And then we use it on this side, and it climbs right off of it. You got to pull it out before you sew through that wedge. And we're back to the start. I'm going to go up here and hit my stop button so it'll tie a nice little knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 threads. Hit my scissors, pull them back to the back, and cut them off. So that's how you sew heavy duty on a Husqvarna Viking sewing machine.